Thank you. Scat, let me have one. Here. Act like you're going to get Cole. I'm going to get him from behind, okay?
Okay. Listen to her. Somebody needs to get Cole. Somebody needs to get Cole. Yeah.
I got it handled. Hi, sweetie.
Oh, now that should be entertaining. Would you like me to film it?
Yeah, go ahead, dude.
Oh yeah, go right ahead.
Everybody get Cole.
How fast are you really, Cole? I'm too fast. Hey, don't y'all hurt yourselves.
Way too fast for you.
He's making me choke on my beer. I'm way too fast for you. Where'd they go?
Let's give him a group hug. Let's give him a hug.
Oh my God!
Watch out, guys.
What is he doing?
Just driving the truck.
That's our dude.
Where is he going?
You almost killed me.
She just gave it to you. She said, take it. I'm tired of it.
Here, I want to ride with you. Let me get my beer.
Oh, now